To replace a header in the game with a prop or miscellaneous object, first open CakeView and identify the header you want to replace. In this example, the header is the 3 hanging drops of blood from Bad Blood 2004, and the replacement is a custom taxi made from an in-game scrap car. Open your game directory and locate the event header you want to swap out. In this case, the Bad Blood 2004 header is number 48. Keep that folder open. Next, locate the object you want to use as the replacement. The custom taxi is based on Scrap Car B, which is object number 22 in the Arena Common, Miss Objects folder. If you extracted the Arena folder from CakeView, you can sort by date modified to quickly find your edited object. Open that object's folder and check the texture files to confirm you have the correct item. Copy all of the replacement object's files. Then return to the header folder for the event you are replacing. Delete the original texture and collision files from the header folder. Since you do not want the original Bad Blood assets to remain, paste the replacement object files into the header folder. After that, rename the replacement files so they match the original header for Lenums. For example, rename the Scrap Car material file to match the header in TLS file. Rename the Scrap Car MCD file to match the header MCD file. And do the same for the JSFB and JSSB files. This makes the game load your replacement object using the original header slot. Once the files are in the correct folder and renamed properly, go back to the main Bake Me directory and run Rebake Launch. After the game starts, go into an arena and create or edit a stage. Open the stage instructions and select the header slot you replaced. When you load it, the original hanging blood header will now be replaced by the taxi. Because the object is now being used as a header, it may no longer rotate the same way as a normal prop, but you can still move it up and down and position it wherever you want on the stage. That is how you create a custom floating object, such as a taxi for a Royal Rumble 2000 stage.